Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day in Williamstown, New Jersey. This is 333 Copperfield in the heart of Williamstown. Wawa's right up the street, easy access to everything. Curb and sidewalk, public water, public sewer. The square footage is 1,438 square feet. Let's check it out. This house has 3 beds, 2 full baths, and the 2 bedrooms, the smaller ones, are on this side of the house. And as you can see, lucky 3s. We'll get to this great room in a minute, but here is the master bedroom suite, and it could easily accommodate a king-size bed. You got the 2 windows, nice and neat, move right into it. You have 2 closets here. You have the slider, and then you have the walk-in. And the full bath, that's got a stand-up shower, linen closet. So this is the 1 bedroom on this side of the house, and there's 2 other bedrooms, which we'll get to a little bit later, on the left side of the house. You have this great room, soaring ceilings, about 18 feet, maybe a little bit higher than that. The concave windows opens up to the backyard, real nice. I'll show you that momentarily. You have this dining area. Use it as you please. The cellar is using that as a dining area. Slider to the back, plenty of room for catch, wiffle ball, football, whatever you want to do. This house also has a full basement, which we'll get to. And it's a blank canvas down there. You kind of make it how you want to. It's a large L-shaped kitchen, countertops galore, plenty of cabinetry, and the appliances, they're definitely not new, but they've been so well maintained as of many aspects of this house. Over this way, we have the full bath that services the main sections of the house. Got a bathtub, everything nice and neat. Bedroom number 2, looks to be about 12 by 12, maybe a little bit bigger than that. Good size. You got the slider closets. And this would be bedroom number 3. More of the same, nice and neat. When you come this way, you have a little dip, and that'll take you down to the basement, which we'll check out shortly. This leads you to your garage. Check that out. It's got a pass door to the backyard, which is nice, and a electric garage door opener. Laundry room, washer and dryer are included. And then you take a little stroll down here. You have this humongous space. It's not going to be the same square footage of the house, but I would say it's approximately 1,000 square feet. So it's all cinder block. It's all in good shape. It's got the drain tile perimeter. You got a sub pump in the corner. And the ages on these, we'd have to check a little further into the hot water heater and into the furnace and central air, but these are newer units. Don't want to put an exact age, but they are certainly newer. So you can see the expanse here, and you have your public utilities that go out to the front, your water and your public sewer. So this leads you to back from where we originated into the kitchen, kind of reversing the flow. You have the huge expanse here, the vaulted ceiling, so you get a really good shot of that here. You have a space up top for decorations. Really a nice layout to this entire property. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you know somebody who wants to move to Williamstown, share it with them. And if you love the content, please subscribe. The property is 3 beds, 2 full baths, 1,438 square feet. The lot measures 83 by 118 feet. Public water, public sewer, newer HVAC system. The roof is old, and the seller is selling that as is for full disclosure. If you want Williamstown school system, which is outstanding, if you want a property that's centrally located, and if you want this kind of square footage, you might not want to move into a association situation. You have a single family house here, no association fees, turnkey, ready to go. And as always, Joe Wiessner, we want to see you at the settlement table.